In this video, I'll show you how to respond to guest reviews on Booking.com. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is use the Booking.com extranet, which is admin.booking.com. And that'll bring you to the group homepage. From the group homepage, you can see all of your reviews and so forth, but you can also go into the actual property. I don't have one set up here. But you can go onto the actual property, and on the top here, you will see a heart icon, which is your reviews, and you can click in there. Alternatively, from the home page, you can go to reviews right over here on happening today, or you can go to filter by status and look for specific reviews over there. So we'll use happening today. And as you can see, it's going to bring you into the reviews page, which you can filter by date. Important thing to note, you cannot reply to a review that is just a rating. So for instance, if someone gives you a 2.5 out of 10, you can't reply to it. If they give you a 2.5 out of 10 and write a review, you can reply to that. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.